Hello, my dear friends. I'm really glad you're here today. If you're over the age of 55 or 60, this video could be one of the most important you'll ever watch for your health and independence. Let me ask you something, gently and honestly. Do you feel weaker than you used to? Do stairs feel harder than before? Do your legs get tired quickly, even with simple walking? Many seniors think this is just normal aging. But here's the truth. Muscle weakness is not just aging. It's often a warning sign, and it can be slowed, improved, and even partially reversed. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 signs your muscles are getting weak. Signs many seniors ignore until it's too late. And very importantly, I'll also explain which common foods silently damage aging muscles and what to eat instead to protect your strength. Please watch till the end because sign number 3 is the one most seniors miss, and it causes the fastest muscle loss. Let's begin calmly, step by step. Why muscle strength matters after 55. Before we talk about the signs, let me explain why this matters so much. Your muscles are not just for looks or exercise. They help you stand up from a chair, walk without falling, protect your joints, control blood sugar, maintain balance and independence. Doctors call age-related muscle loss sarcopenia. Studies show that after age 50, adults can lose 1 to 2% of muscle every year if nothing is done. The good news? Early signs give us a chance to act. Sign number 1, difficulty standing up from a chair. Let's start with the first and most common sign. Ask yourself, do you push with your hands to stand up? Do your thighs feel weak when rising from a chair? Do you avoid low sofas or toilets? If yes, this is a clear early warning sign. What's happening? The muscles in your thighs and hips, especially the quadriceps, are getting weaker. These muscles are crucial for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Many seniors think, oh, it's just my knees. But in many cases, it's actually muscle weakness, not just joints. Foods that silently make this worse. Here's something very important many seniors don't know. Certain everyday foods slowly weaken muscles over time. White bread, sugary biscuits and cakes, sweet tea and soft drinks, processed snacks. These foods spike blood sugar, increase inflammation, reduce muscle protein. Building over time, muscles get weaker, even if you're eating enough. What to eat instead? Simple and senior-friendly. To support thigh and leg strength, focus on muscle-friendly foods. Eggs, especially at breakfast. Lentils and beans, yogurt or curd fish, or small portions of chicken-cooked vegetables like spinach and pumpkin. You don't need large amounts. Consistency matters more than quantity. Try this simple test at home. Sit on a chair, cross your arms, stand up without using your hands. If it feels very difficult, your muscles are asking for attention. Not fear, just care. Sign number 2, getting tired or unsteady while walking. Now let's talk about sign number 2. This one shows up quietly and is often ignored. Ask yourself honestly, do your legs feel tired after a short walk? Do you stop often to rest? Do you feel slightly unsteady or slow while walking? Many seniors say, I'm just getting older, but this is not just aging. What's really happening? Endorphin inside the body. Walking depends on leg muscles, hip muscles, core muscles, proper blood circulation. When muscles weaken, steps become shorter, balance reduces, risk of falling increases. Studies show that slow walking speed is one of the earliest signs of muscle loss and reduced life independence in older adults. This is your body gently saying, I need support. Common foods that make walking fatigue worse. Here's something surprising. Many seniors eat foods that look harmless but silently drain muscle energy. Fried foods, too much white rice, refined flour, non-white roti, packaged juices. These foods reduce oxygen delivery to muscles, increase inflammation, weaken circulation. Over time, legs feel heavy and tired. What to eat instead? For stronger walking, replace slowly, not all at once, brown rice or small portions of white rice, oats or barley, bananas for potassium, nuts like almonds or walnuts, small handful, plenty of water. Hydration alone can improve walking strength more than many people realize. Simple daily habit, very important. Try this every day. Walk for 5 to 10 minutes at a comfortable pace. Swing your arms naturally. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself to others. Consistency is medicine. Sign number 3, weak grip strength. Most seniors ignore this. Now listen carefully. This is the sign most seniors ignore, and it's extremely important. Ask yourself, do you struggle to open jars? Do objects slip from your hands? Is holding a cup or phone harder than before? Many people think it's arthritis, but in many cases it's muscle weakness, not joint damage. Why grip strength is a big warning sign. Medical studies show weak grip strength is linked to overall muscle loss, higher fall risk, lower survival and independence in older adults. Your hands reflect the strength of your entire body. If grip weakens, other muscles are usually weakening too. Foods that quietly damage muscle strength. These foods harm muscle repair. Too much sugar, sweet desserts, excess tea or coffee without food, skipping protein. Without enough protein, muscles slowly shrink. What to eat for hand and body. Strength, add these gently to your diet. Eggs, 1 daily if possible. Milk, yogurt or curd, lentils, dal, chickpeas, fish, 1 to 2 times per week. Even small amounts help when eaten regularly. Simple hand exercise. Do this now. Open and close your fists 10 times. Squeeze a soft ball or towel. Do this twice daily. It improves blood flow and muscle connection. Sign number 4. Loss of balance or fear of falling. Let's move to sign number 4. And this one affects confidence, freedom, and independence. Ask yourself gently, do you feel nervous walking outside? Do you hold walls or furniture while moving? Do you avoid going out alone because of fear of falling? If yes, please know you are not weak. Your muscles are simply asking for help. What causes balance problems? After 60, balance is not just about the ears or eyes. It depends on leg muscles, core muscles, foot strength, brain muscle communication. When muscles weaken, the body reacts slower, making you feel unsafe even on flat ground. Studies show that strong leg and core muscles reduce fall risk by up to 40% in older adults. Foods that make balance worse. Certain foods weaken balance indirectly by affecting nerves and muscles. Too much salt, packaged and canned foods, processed meats, instant soups and noodles. These foods increase blood pressure, cause fluid imbalance, reduce nerve sensitivity in the feet. What to eat for better balance. Support your muscles and nerves with leafy greens, spinach, fenugreek, sweet potatoes, bananas, nuts, and seeds. Plenty of water, magnesium and potassium from natural foods help muscles respond faster. Simple balance practice, safe and easy. Try this near a wall or chair. Stand on both feet, gently. Lift 1 foot for 5 seconds. Switch sides. Do this once or twice daily. Even small practices build confidence. Sign number 5. Poor posture, slouched. Senior sitting, gradual posture correction animation. Shoulders back, head up. Food mistakes. Section skipped meals. Tea and biscuits only. Empty plate, then balanced plate. Balanced plate. Visual, protein plus vegetables plus healthy fat. Daily routine. Section chair. Sit to stand, wall push-ups, gentle marching in place. Results and hope. Section. Senior smiling. Walking confidently. Playing with grandchildren. Independent daily activities. Final message and CT a sunset walk. Calm smile. Channel